Okay, truthfully, if I didn't have a gold vlog, if I didn't have a YouTube channel centered around gold, I think I'd still have a YouTube channel. It would be centered around food, more than likely, or travel, or some combination of those two things. And they seem to be the things that I do quite often. In any case, we're here in Spokane today, not really by choice, have a little business here in Spokane, but I thought I have the camera, I have the entire afternoon off, and I have some very, very important things I gotta share with you. Welcome to the Gold Vlog. Okay, this channel will always be, you will always be my first love. You're my baby. I birthed you on the YouTube channel, and we've hung out together for years. We're like over 18,000 subscribers now. We're really, really proud of the YouTube channel. However, I feel like I've been almost cheating on you currently for a little while with Whatnot. Whatnot is a live stream that we've been doing like 3 times a week, sometimes 6 times a week. I have other people on staff also doing it. If you don't know what Whatnot is, it is a live auction website. You can buy gold through an auction, and truthfully, sometimes there's some really good deals and gold that I think went way, way too cheap, but it's an auction. It is what it is. But we've been doing a lot of auctions over there, hence I haven't been posting a lot of videos on YouTube. I'm hoping that changes here as I'm getting more help and more caught up, but it's time for a video, and I gotta show you this. I know it's bar gold. What's Mike doing with a bar of gold? I gotta tell you about this. Go find a place where the cars aren't necessarily backfiring. I also gotta show you a little Paydirt. Paydirt, you're gonna like this one. You're gonna really, I think, like this one, because you did before. Okay, moving on. Okay, I gotta show you one thing real quick. Spokane, so whoever thought this up, genius, absolutely genius. Great way to pick up trash and garbage, or to have people pick up their trash and their garbage. You feed them to the garbage goat. I just learned this. Check this out. This is the garbage goat, right? And he likes to eat garbage. Ready? Push this button. Absolutely genius. A genius way to have people pick up their trash, the garbage goat. It works. I mean, you saw me put a piece of trash in there, and it's a pretty clean park. I think a lot of people have been popping by. I got a quiet moment here to show you the garbage goat. The garbage goat. It's a Spokane thing. Okay, as I'm walking around doing nothing except telling you about what's coming up in the next few weeks, I walked by the Purgatory, and I told myself probably wasn't gonna vlog in here, wasn't maybe even gonna stop in here, but it's a really cool whiskey bar. I think you should see it. Of varieties of whiskey. This is totally sidetracking the excursion, but might as well, when in Rome, have just a little taste. We're gonna see what the bartender recommends. Sinatra Select. Okay.
It's got a nice banana nose, right?
Yeah.
And a nice cherry finish.
Okay, that's your recommendation for
Yeah.
a $30.
$30 pour.
Wait, neat?
I do neat. You don't always do a rock on the side. You pour on the rock right here afterwards.
you're a busy man.
Yeah.
How many bottles of whiskey?
1,030, give or take a few.
Wow. Okay. 1,000 bottles.
Yeah, we started with about 300, and now we've over 1,000.
Wow.
A few years later down the road.
Next question. What's the most expensive whiskey shot in the house?
The Macallan 30-year Scotch. We sell it for $750 a pour.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
750.
For an ounce and a half.
Can I see the bottle or is it in a vault?
It's all the way up at the top.
All the way to the top.
With the white label, little black band on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Count 30. Spent more time in the barrel than I've been here on Earth.
$750. $750 for a shot of whiskey. That's insane. It's insane. We're gonna enjoy the $30 shot. Always a little treat, a little golden whiskey. And I better tell you, I better actually make this video have a little content that you care about, like gold, really, really cheap gold. I brought a piece with me. I'm gonna go somewhere a little bit quieter and show it to you because I'm about to get raided here by people. Now that is a big red wagon. Okay, those people were definitely not happy about something. Definitely a protest going on downtown. I think I know why. I should maybe make a video about why I think they're unhappy, but that's a vlog for another time. I'm here to tell you about this and this. Let's start here. This is a comeback. An old Paydirt that we had, I think it sold out maybe 18 months ago, 18 months ago, from Arizona. It's that beautiful red, iron-rich material that we get from my friend Guy. My friend Guy goes down to the Sonora Desert on the border with Mexico, and that's where he found some of Arizona's largest gold nuggets. And as a favor to me, I asked him, ship me some of that red dirt. So I send him priority boxes down, and then he ships me back this beautiful, beautiful Arizona Paydirt. So that is back, limited time. He shipped me 15, I think it was like 12 or 15 boxes, whatever we sent him, the boxes, priority boxes, full of this dirt. We probably have 150 bags. When it's gone, it's gone. And that might be it. That might be it forever because, well, I just can't keep asking him to go back down to his desert and keep shipping me up dirt. It's a lot of work for him, especially in the summer, this time of year. So this is a special Paydirt. It's back. You guys loved it before. You'll love it again. Go get it while it lasts. Okay, now, here's what I want to talk to you about with Whatnot. Talked a little bit about Whatnot. Whatnot's not going away. In fact, we're kind of doubling down on Whatnot as far as I think it's a good relationship. They love us and we love Whatnot. Anyway, they sent me 31 gram bars. 31 gram bars. They are all going to be sold Friday, the 29th, which is in like 4 days, 3 days, something like that. The 29th, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Whatnot. I'm going to be selling 30 of these. They're going to be like a flash sale. Like a flash sale, we'll sell 5, then we'll do more of the auctioning, and then we'll sell another 5. Here's the best part. You cannot find, okay, they're selling for $99. $99, that's it. That's what's going to get you a gram of gold. And look at the price today online, like $140. Over at like JM Bullion, one of the big bullion dealers. These are $140 today. $99, that's almost like, that's a third off. More than a third off. It's cheap. It's super, super cheap. I don't know how they're doing it. I don't know why they're doing it, but they selected me as one of their select dealers to do this for their, it's a big coin show weekend. We're actually running like 4 shows, but the one I'm telling you about, I mean, go see all of them, but the one you want to be at is on the 29th, Friday night, this coming Friday. You want to be there, 4 p.m. Pacific time, 30 of these. I already know Like, people have already emailed me because I've been telling people about these on Whatnot. Like, hey, reserve me a few. I can't reserve you a few. They're gonna go quick, and I already know there's gonna be disappointed people because I only have 30 of them. But I think you should head over there and try your hat at getting a piece of this beautiful. This is Swiss gold. Now, see, I'm not a bar guy. I am a nugget guy. You guys know that. So I don't even handle bars very often. But these, they're beautiful. I mean, they're just gorgeous. Swiss gold, $99, $140 online right now. $140 online. So go over there. I said it enough. You'll either be there or you won't. Friday the 29th. Come hang out with me. Go check out Whatnot. Use this link. You're going to get $15 store credit. $15 that you could spend towards that. Now this is $74. It's $74 now if you use the $15 credit and then you buy one of these that we're going to do a flash sale with. They're going to go quick. I don't even know like who hits the button the fastest, exactly how quickly they're going to sell, but it'll be a big night over there this coming Friday. Okay, I've said enough, made this video long enough. Thanks for letting me show you a little bit about Spokane, having some whiskey, going to a protest. I mean, we just kind of walked through the protest. Big red wagon, garbage goat. It's a great town. Spokane is a great town, and I got to share it with you today. I'm gonna leave it there. Be well, be safe. We'll see you Friday night, if not sooner, over at Whatnot. Use the link. Okay, bye. Oh, I also got the Australian gold in. There will be Australian gold there as well Friday night.